Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to hide the attendee list of an event on Outlook.com. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, log into your Microsoft Outlook account. This will load your inbox and give you access to all the calendar features you need for managing your events. Just enter your credentials and wait for the page to fully load before moving forward. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, you'll need to navigate to the calendar section. Look over at the left navigation panel where you'll see several icons and menu options. From there, locate and click on the calendar icon. This will take you directly into your Outlook calendar view where you can create and manage all your scheduled events. Now that your calendar menu is open, you're ready to create a new event. To do this, simply double-click on any date that's visible on your calendar. This action will immediately open a new event window where you can start entering the details for your meeting or appointment. The new event editor gives you full control over how your event is set up, including who can see what information. Here's where the important part comes in. Once the new event window has opened, take a look at the attendee field. This is where you would normally add the people you want to invite to your event. On the far right side of this field, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Response Options. Go ahead and click on it to reveal additional settings that control how attendees interact with your event. From the list of options that appears, you'll see a toggle for Hide Attendee List. Click on this toggle to enable it. This is the key feature that keeps your guest list private, meaning attendees won't be able to see who else has been invited to the event. It's especially useful for confidential meetings or when you want to maintain privacy among participants. With the Hide Attendee List option now turned on, you can continue filling in the rest of your event details. Add the event title, set the date and time, include a location if needed, and write any notes or agenda items in the description field. While you're doing all of this, your attendee list will remain completely hidden from everyone you invite. And that's it. You've successfully set up an event on Outlook.com with a hidden attendee list, giving you full control over the privacy of your guest information. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.